Welcome to my channel once again. Today is a sunny, beautiful day here in Kenya, Rift Valley region. I'm traveling to the farm for harvesting. It's been a while since I traveled to the farm. People have been harvesting. I think I'm the only one remaining. I know some are wondering, what are you harvesting? We are harvesting maize in Nyandarua County. This is our harvesting time in January, and I hope you will join me as we travel together to my farm. It's on a Saturday, and this is the only time I'm free, so I decided to hurry up so that at least by Sunday I should be done by this work. It's not a long journey, it's only 45 minutes to the farm. Yeah, I know some other parts of the country already harvested. I think we are always the last ones to harvest. We are harvesting maize, and as you know, Nyandarua is very, very cold, so our maize takes a while to be ready. We are at Dondori Forest. This is where we buy our trees, Kenya Forest Service. We buy trees here for planting, fruits, all types of trees are here. Please come and buy some. I had to stop here at least to take this view of the small river. It's called Dondori River. I didn't know it had a good waterfall here. Very good, very beautiful. The sound, so nice. There are many donkeys in these parts of the county, Nyandarua County. Donkeys are part of the family. They are used as means of transport. I know our Western brothers and Nyanza, mostly we don't have donkeys in most of our homes. But here, you have to get used to donkeys and carts for transport. They are always our means of transport. A bit of clarification, cat, I mean mkokoteni, not a cat, a meow cat, no, mkokoteni, please. When you're driving on these roads, you must be careful. The animals are always crossing the road, the sheep, the cows. So if you're not careful, you hit one and you are in trouble. So when you're driving on Kenyan roads, you must be very, very, very careful. You can see Nyandarua County is very, very cold. Very cold. If you have not been here, just know it's very cold. Oh wow, it was beautiful to see this cat and the donkey. Now you see what I meant. That's mkokoteni, used for transport. This is a water dam used by the community here, a source of water. We are almost at the farm, just 45 minutes. Yeah, Nyandarua, cash crop. Ya Nyandarua ni mawaru, as you always hear this. I mean, our cash crop here is Irish potatoes, okay? We arrived safely and the birds were here to receive us with the noise. We are not strangers, but the way they were screaming, you might think we were thieves, but no way, we are at home. After resting a bit, I went to the farm to check on the napier grass for the animals. Also in Nyandarua, dairy farming is also the best here. Mostly all the farmers here do dairy farming. I checked on my firewood for the evening. Without fire here, you will freeze. You must have fire. The sheep are also doing well. They're enjoying their meal here. People had harvested and I think there's some food for them, though it looks dry a bit. The vegetables were also green, looking fresh. I'm told it had rained some 2 days ago. Here we have cauliflower, we have kales, we have purple cabbage, we have spinach, and carrots also do well here in Nyandarua County. Cabbages do well. It's like a cash crop too. It was time to see if I can get something to cook, and I always like green vegetables when I come to the farm. I decided to get some stinking nettle leaves for vegetables. Have you ever tasted this? Please come to Nyandarua. You'll get these fresh stinking nettle vegetables. You can dry them and get some medicine from it, flour. You can also use the flour for porridge. Also, cows eat them. It's so nice. Our Western people, hii inaitwa Isamba Hulu, I think that's the name. Stinking nettle is very important. If you have arthritis, please eat stinking nettle. If you have anemia, if you have body pains, please, stinking nettle is medicinal and it will help you. I'm wearing the polythene paper. I didn't have gloves because it stinks. You will cry if this thing crosses your body. Yeah, my friends, my brothers and sisters, please, it's time to wind up. Don't forget to subscribe to the Max Farm Homestead channel. It's a new channel, it's a baby channel, it's just 1 month old. I'll be doing the part 2 of the video. You see how we harvested. There's more to watch, the animals, the shamba, and everything. Please subscribe, share, like. Let us grow together. Yes, thank you for watching. Welcome again for the part 2. Bye.